In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an email signature with variables for the Microsoft Exchange. That way, the next time a user sends a new message, their email will be sent with a default email signature. So let's get started. In the first part, activate the integration with Exchange tags and by brand. Note that these placeholders will be available in the signature editor. They also work in Exchange when you add the signature. In this section, you can find 2 help tutorials too. Now we'll create a company-wide email signature. I'll use this template. Note that the variables are displayed when you type 2 double curly brackets. In the HTML email signature, you can add links to a blog, knowledge base, social media, and even a banner for a product and an e-commerce. But I won't prolong this video too much with that. Save the signature and click Paste in Email. On this screen, click the HTML code button and click to copy the content to the clipboard. In the second part, you can paste the HTML code into Microsoft Exchange. On the Rules page, click Add a Rule icon, and then select Apply Disclaimers. Optionally, you can also create a rule to have different signatures in different settings. For example, an email signature for internal and external emails. We've already recorded these steps in another video, and the link will be included in the description of this video.